Hey there, good people. This is Cyril Gupta, your best friend in the business. And today I'm reviewing this product called LeadCreator. It's a product that uses AI to create lead magnets for you and also set them up on a page where you can drive traffic to and get leads directly fed into your favorite autoresponder. So here is how it works. When you come to this product, you're going to be shown this little button that says create a lead magnet. Quite a simple option. That's the only thing on the screen. And then you can give it a name like my YouTube story. I'm going to go for YouTube, so it does have a lot more. So then you can create a category, select a category. If you want to put in more than one categories, you can type in like network or whatever you choose, create network. And then you have a selection of different kind of lead magnets that you can target. So blank lead magnet is something that you can prompt the AI to create, and I think it's quite similar to raw chat GPT. So when you use raw chat GPT, again you give it a raw prompt, and based on that prompt your lead magnet is created. But then you can also do things like create a listicle, 5-point or 10-point or 15-point listicle. You can convert a blog post to an ebook. So if you click on this, you will be asked to put in a URL and it will be converted to an ebook. You also have blog post summarizer, so which will summarize the blog post. You can make YouTube transcript into an ebook. You can summarize a YouTube video. You can create micro courses with images, right? And you can create micro courses with video suggestions. Plus there is also FAQs and ebook creator. You can make an ebook with your own topics. Now I'm going to explore some of them to show you what kind of lead magnets you can create. So let's go for a 10-point listicle, right? So let's put in some data over here. So I'm choosing this topic, my favorite topic, of course, gardening, top tips to grow your own tomatoes in your kitchen garden. And of course, if you want to learn how these things work, there is a little link for tutorial. If you click on it, it's going to show you a tutorial that's relevant, and I've watched some of them. They're quite explained well, and you can learn how things work using the tutorial. I'm going to skip that because I think my video is going to be tutorial enough for you. Click on create, and in just a few minutes, or actually seconds, in just a few seconds, the lead magnet will be created, happening right now as we speak. Okay, so that took about 10 seconds, and you can see the lead magnet. It's got a great article, unlock the secret to juicy homegrown tomatoes, and it's got exactly 10 tips, all the different things that I wanted. And to publish it, just click on the publish button, it will be published. And then if you want to modify something, you can type, right? And you can change things about it. On the sidebar you can see there is a lot of things that are coming later, but right now even this is good enough, and you can put in things manually, so there is nothing wrong with that. You can modify it and then publish it, perfectly okay. Now you have an email capture system right inside of LeadCreator, so you can create your form here. They have some different templates. There's a standard template, there's an ebook style template where you can upload an image of the ebook. There is a blurred button. So this is for articles, like the articles that we just created. If you use the blurred button template, this is how it's going to look. There is the video template, and if you don't want to have an email capture form, you don't want to capture any emails. Now if you're going to capture leads, that's not going to happen if you don't have an email form, so definitely have a capture form there. You can also choose what kind of fields you want to put in. If you want to put in your link to privacy policy, you can have that. And this I want to keep reading button, that's the way, this is kind of like a gateway. So you've seen those news websites where when you go there, you can read just for a few seconds, and after that there's a pop-up and the gateway is blocked, the site is blocked, and if you want to continue reading you might need to pay. But in this case the person just needs to give you their email ID. It's a lead capture form. So when they click on I want to keep reading after putting in the name and email, you will be able to get the lead, and they will be able to get access, right? Now you can also opt for double opt-in. You know what double opt-in is? If you switch on double opt-in, they will get a confirmation email, and the lead will come to you only if they confirm that you want to hear from you. Now your leads will significantly reduce in quantity, but the open rate will be quite a lot higher if you use double opt-in. Now I don't use it much, I don't think that's required, but if you want to do that for your business, well, go ahead and you can choose the styles. Again, there's some options here, not many, but you can choose the button color, you can choose the button text color, and there are triggers. Now if you want to use a timer, like you want to show this after 10 seconds when the person is into the article, you can do that. And if you want to put in the timer where half of the page is blurred, that's possible. And if you want to put in the little capture form and people have scrolled, so you can choose between 25% of the page, 50% or 75% of the page, whatever you think about is good for you, you can choose that. Now half page will have the page blurred right in the beginning. I don't recommend that. I think the best way to do this is by using the timer. So typically I would set it to about 7 to 10 seconds. 10 is perfectly fine. You can have it, you can leave it, click on save changes to save it. Now in integrations, now you got leads, right? But you got to take them somewhere. You got to take them into a CRM or a system where people can process the leads. This is where that happens. So it's already connected to a lot of different autoresponder CRM systems. You've got GetResponse, Aweber, ActiveCampaign, System, MailerLite, MailChimp, ConvertKit, SendLane, and Ontraport. So all of these things are already integrated. Plus some integrations are coming up later, so you can see a list of all the integrations that are coming up later pretty soon. So once those integrations are available, you can integrate with those too. And there is also a social slider, right? So when people sign up, they will see this little slider. So when they're prompted to sign up, that is, it's kind of like a Provely or a proof source, or like my product convert proof. So people see this conversion proof, conversion evidence, and they will be prompted to sign up too. So this is a great way to motivate people to sign up. It's conversion proof. Now I have a great product for conversion proof and other little widgets. It's called Converty. And if you go to it, you will see that it's got about 30 different widgets, including conversion proof. And
hey
honestly,
there, this is Sarojit, your best friend in.
So honestly, you can actually get this free if you buy LeadCreator from me. You will get Technique Force reward points, and you can get this Converty tool absolutely free. It's a great product. Got a lot of features, as you can see, and you can get it free with LeadCreator. So that's great. And then it also has expiring URL. So this is a way to have some sort of urgency. So if you switch it on, it's gonna show a top bar just like this, and you can put in the message here and put in a timer. So you can put in stuff like get it before the timer ends because the offer is going away or the lead magnet is going away and you only have this much time. So it triggers the scarcity, it triggers the urgency response. People respond to this by putting in the email ID because they're afraid to lose something, right? This is something they have. And you know how marketing is. Human beings tend to value the thing they have more than what they don't have. So if somebody has something already, like reading this article or having your lead magnet, they don't want to lose it, right? It's kind of painful to lose what you have, and it can be more, it can cause people to act better or act faster than offering them something. So you can say, hey, if you don't act now, you will lose this lead magnet, whatever you're offering them. That will propel them to act and that will get you the lead. So that's a great product to have. There is also Scarcity Maker, which lets you put in a little text message which says that there is a limited quantity of whatever you are trying to promote. If it's a lead magnet like an ebook or something, you can say, hey, only 20 more people, like in this example right over here, only 20 more people can download it before it goes away. So it increases the scarcity. Again, the same effect. If people stand to lose something, they want to do that. So they will put in their email ID and download your ebook. All right, let's go back and create something else. Back to content editor and back to the lead magnet creator. You see I created 2 lead magnets already. I can copy the link, and if you paste the link over here, right over here, the lead magnet appears, and we gotta wait 10 seconds, right? Okay, so I waited 10 seconds for you, and you can see the capture form appeared right here, and you can give in your lead, you can give in your details. It will be taken to the backend, and they will go to the favorite CRM, whatever you put in there. Go back to LeadCreator, let's create another lead magnet. Let's call it YouTube thing. Category network is fine. And this time let's create an ebook from a YouTube transcript. So then you need to put in the transcript over here, and I will show you exactly how to get it. So just put in any URL.
Hey there everyone,
This is the Engage URL, and scroll down. You will and expand the description. You will see this button called Show Transcript. Click on it. The transcript is here. Then go here, toggle timestamps to remove the timestamp, and copy it just like this. All right, here you go. Copy, come back to LeadCreator, paste it. And if you want to change something, go ahead and change it. It's up to you. You can put in punctuation, you can make any kind of edits you want. Then click on create. The ebook is being created. Again, a few seconds. Check this out. It created a complete ebook chapter by chapter, and just on the transcript. And the ebook is pretty well organized. You can see it's about my product Engage, practical implementation strategies, advanced insights, real world applications, key components, the foundation of social media engagement. Like everything is in here, right? I think that's pretty cool. So when you publish it, it's published, and let's go to view it, right? In settings, you can give it a slug of your choice. By the way, we'll come back to the domain in a moment. So whatever you create, it's going to be hosted at LeadCreator only, the LeadCreator website, and I think that's the only one they have right now. You can add a custom domain, and I'll talk about it in a second, but let's try to view our YouTube thing. So click here. You got all these options like copy link, unpublish, archive, rename, whatever you want. Let's go for copy link and actually view it. So this is the ebook that it created. Again, the same thing. I think the lead creation, we didn't actually set it up. We didn't set up the lead capture on this one, but it showed up right now. So it was set up by default. So the lead capture shows up. Now coming back to the LeadCreator app, let's try to edit this. Can we edit it? Copy link, archive, rename, manage share template. So I think clicking on it will kind of like let you edit it. Fantastic. Okay, now let's talk about something important. I showed you how to create lead magnets. I showed you how to capture leads. I showed you how it integrates with so many different CRMs and autoresponders. Now, the important thing is when you publish a lead, right, there is a publish button on every lead magnet that you create. So when you publish a lead magnet, it will be published to leadcreator.ai. That's the default domain. So let's go back on my YouTube story. And here are the lead magnets that we created. So if you copy the URL, you will notice that the lead magnet is on app.leadcreator.ai, and then there is the slug. And that's not a good thing, because people will see leadcreator.ai. They will be trying to find out what that is about. So they'll be distracted. They will go to leadcreator.ai, maybe not so much relevant to your own product, and I don't think you should brand it that way. I think you should have your own branded URL, and there is a provision for that. So when you click on the lead magnet, there is a settings section, and here you can have a custom domain. Of course, you will need to set it up. You will need to add a custom domain. For example, mytomatoes.com or .in, whatever you want to target, save it, and then you need to connect your domain to this particular app using the DNS. So what will happen is people who see the lead, they will go to your domain and see it. They will not see LeadCreator. And that's important, because you want people to associate this with your brand, your lead, your brand, your product, your company, right? That's how it should flow. So you need to have a domain name, and you need to connect it to LeadCreator to get the best advantage out of this product. And I have you covered on that front, because if you get this product from me, I will give you a free domain for 1 year, and you can host all your lead magnets on that domain. You don't need to you should not host it on LeadCreator. You should host it on your own custom domain. And if you get LeadCreator from me, if you decide to get it and you like it and you get it from me, I will give you a domain name absolutely free. You can put your lead magnets that is on that domain, and capture your leads easily. So that is one thing I got you covered, and a domain name is not cheap, it's expensive. That's an extra expense that you need to make, but I will give you the domain free if you get LeadCreator from me. Now that's one thing out of the way. Plus I have other products too, I have other bonuses too. So on my review page you will see a detailed list of all the bonuses that I have on this product. You can grab any bonus absolutely free with this product when you get it from me. Plus you also get Technique Force rewards, and using Technique Force rewards you can get all my products free of cost. So I have a number of different products. You can see all these amazing products are in my portfolio, and you can get any of them free if you get LeadCreator from me, and you have Technique Force rewards points that you can redeem to get my products, any of these products free. So this is how it works. I will see you on the inside if you get LeadCreator today from me. This is Cyril Gupta, your best friend in the business, signing off.